Hello guys, good morning. We are going to give you a tour how our property looks like in winter. I would love to bring you along with us and show you guys, okay? So Hailey is here with me. She accompany me, guys. She accompanied me, and also Everest is running around there. Can you see her? Yes. Okay guys, so let's go. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like where we are. Everest is running because she saw the, how they call, she saw birds running around. And in here guys, I planted calendulas, and we have calendulas. They are really strong, these calendulas. Can you see? They are everywhere, and they have flowers. Can you see that? So beautiful, these calendulas. And it's drizzling guys, and I would like to show you. Look, can you see guys? That is why our naughty dogs, see what our naughty dogs did. They dig, and they pluck also a branch of the cypress. Come Hailey. So this is how it looks like, everyone. It's so humid, and we have 7 days already guys with this weather. Today is 7 days. 7 days of fog. I planted so many marigolds here as well, and I think they are growing. Yes, let's see. I will give you an update on that. But meanwhile, our dogs, they love to excavate everywhere. And look what they did. They also took out this one guys, this is small fence. So that is how it looks like now. Look, the swings of the kids, and that tree, can you see? It's just the branches and the twigs, no more leaves. And this girl keeps running around. And let's go, and I will show you the pomegranate tree. All right guys, so this is our pomegranate tree, and can you see? No more leaves as well. Look. Also, this one is the fig tree, one of the fig trees. No more leaves. This is the zone of our figs, guys. Can you see that? And also the zone of our grapes. So here is the grapevine. No more.
Mama, wait.
Until there. Look at the leaves. What a pity. I could take all of those leaves and put in a compost. And look at these trees. In spring and in summer, they are so beautiful. And this is the zone where my husband and I got married. Where we renewed our vow. Yes, oh my gosh, there are worms guys, or how they call that. I will tell my husband, yes, to cut them because there are larvae in there. Yeah, because it's toxic for the dogs. And they love to come here in this tree, in this pine tree, pine needle tree. You're giving kiss to them, huh, Evie? Huh? Huh? Yeah, so Daddy will cut. Oh my goodness. I don't know why this is the only tree that this processionary, I don't know how do you call this guys, but they are like worm. And they are black with stripe, guys. Is it warm or I don't know? Can you see? There are eggs in there, guys. Here and there. 2 weeks ago we caught them, but I don't know. They are here again. Alright, so this is the tree, guys, where my husband and we did our 10th year wedding anniversary. So we did the vow renewal in here. Yes, and as you all can see that it's all no more leaves at all. You see, but in summer, maybe you saw in our previous video that this tree was full of leaves and so beautiful. And look, I saw a mushroom, and I'm not sure if this mushroom is edible or not, guys. I'm scared. Yeah. Alright, look. And this is our jojoba as well. Can you see? The jojoba. And this tree as well, look. And this one is the loquat tree. And this one is evergreen plant. It's always has leaves, guys. Can you see? And so many flowers. And hopefully it will bear fruit. Yes, can you see that? It's green. So let's go, guys, to the zone of pistachios, walnuts, and olive. And there are so many mushrooms here, but the thing is, I'm not sure if they are edible or not. Another here as well. Can you see? They're like button mushrooms. I don't take them, guys, because I'm not sure if it is poisonous. That is why, because I'm not expert in mushrooms, and I don't know. I don't know, guys. That is why. What a pity, huh? If those are edible. So look at our fig trees. And I'm going to prune them, guys. Not today, but yeah, one of these days. We also have another needle pine tree there. And look at our pistachios. So, guys, this is the male pistachio. As you can see, it's enormous. And the rest of the pistachios. So we have 8 females and 1 male. Haley is here, and she's wearing my boots. And guys, that is the olive tree, more pistachios, and our almond tree and walnut tree.
No.
Yes.
No.
Evie, can you see? Evie started to
Take a bowl.
dig. Oh my goodness, this. Look. Hi. No. And yeah, look. Look at the leaves of our male pistachio. The male pistachio and the female pistachio, they have different kind of leaves, guys. Yeah, the male pistachio, it has very small leaves,
Right.
and yeah, and the female pistachios,
Like a heart.
yeah, very big. And look, guys, what our dogs did here. They are really destroying everything, guys. Can you see? My gosh. Because they are looking for rats or mice, guys. Mouse and moles. And my husband pruned this grapevine 2 weeks ago, I think. Yes, that is why. Until there. And these two trees are almond trees. And our roses are dry. Not dry, but no more leaves as well. So this is how it looks like, guys. Our place, our home in winter. So guys, we are in the front yard of our house. And we are going to the backyard where our hens and our vegetable patch. And and look, it must be nice if I will collect all these, isn't it? And put all these in our vegetable patch. These are very good, guys, for our plants. I mean, for the soil, the compost. These are very good. We can put these leaves in a compost. Yes, this is a very good organic matter once they are decomposed. This tree is, I don't know, guys, because they didn't give fruit last summer because they were frosted. I think one is cherry. I think two of them are cherry trees or peaches. Or I don't know. And this one is the small apples, guys. Evie, what are you eating? Huh? No, that is just aluminum. Take it out, huh? Take it out. Go, no, anak. Ay, no, anak. Can you see? And guys, look at our roses. Look, they're all dry.
Help, Abby! Help, Eminem!
What are you doing? Haley, let's go to the backyard.
Why?
Okay, guys, so we are now at the backyard, as you can see. This one, guys, is our persimmon tree, if you remember. Yes.
They're playing
And
cars.
yes, so that is our persimmon tree, and we harvested so many fruits, guys, last summer.
So many persimmon.
Yeah, so many persimmon last summer, guys. And oh, I think the cat, Haley, Everest saw the cat again, so she went and find the cat.
Better.
Yes, we are afraid if this cat will go and eat our chickens. And Everest just shoot the cat away. She's running around. Okay, guys, so this is my garlic patch. I didn't see any bud or something, any leaves, any sprout. I'm not seeing any sprout of the garlic yet, guys. I don't take out these ones, guys, because you know, our dogs. Huh? Can you see, Haley? Any?
Yeah, no.
Oh my goodness, how come?
I don't know.
Maybe too early? I am checking our broccoli.
Oh, this is broccoli.
This is broccoli because broccoli is one of our favorite vegetable. I'm not sure if these broccolis will give us broccolis, guys.
Abby!
Yeah.
Where is your friend?
Our cabbage are very small. You see? Yeah, look.
I can touch this.
Yeah, you can touch it, Tanak.
Oh, it's so cold.
Yeah, it is so cold. Now Evie is here. She's smelling something.
The cat.
Yeah. So look, guys, our artichokes. Look at our artichokes, our dogs. Ay. Our dogs smashed them, guys. Oh my god. Excavated them, and what a pity. And our chickens.
And the rooster.
Hi! So look, this is one of our fig trees, guys. The yellow one with the stripe. These two are the plums. My husband scattered corns. You can go and take the eggs, anak.
Abby.
Yes. Look at Everest, guys. Look at Everest. No! Oh my goodness. I'm afraid if the fence will fall. Go and take the eggs, anak. Let's go and see if they have eggs, guys. Because they want to go out, guys. Hailey, take this. Evie is coming. Okay? Hello, guys. Hailey said that there are 7 eggs. Yes. Okay, guys. So Hailey is here already. And yes. Look, we have 2 whites. I think one is from yesterday, right, Hailey?
Yes.
Yes. And one for today. And this is small one, guys. The small ones are the new hens laying. Yeah?
Laying
And
eggs.
yes. And Hailey said that one of the white was on the floor. Hailey?
Abby is eating.
Evie is eating grass. Hi! Hello, guys. So can you see, guys, our plum has this already. And then in March, guys, they will start to come out. Can you see that? We'll show you. Okay, guys, so we are going inside the house already. Yes. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much. That's it, guys, for the tour. So those are the only things we have, guys, here at home. And thank you so much for accompanying us, guys. Thank you so much for the company. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you guys again soon. Bye!
Bye.
Time check, guys. It is 4 o'clock and this is our weather. It is 7 days today that we have this kind of weather. So we just stay home.